So question number D is a little bit complicated. So actually, it just asks you to compare the two scenarios. One is when the dealer charged the uniform price. In another scenario, the dealer charged the apply the price discrimination, how their revenue difference. Before we start to answer this question, you need to know how can you get the revenue. How can you calculate the revenue? In order to calculate the revenue, you need to know two components. So, the revenue equal to the price times the quantity. So now we know the price if it is charged by the uniform price. So that is $700,000. How about the quantity? So in order to know the quantity, we need to go back to look at our diagram. So when the dealer charged the uniform price, so that will be here. So the $700,000, that means Fred, Mike, Michelle, Hua, Carlos, John, Marty, and Bob, all of them can afford to buy the car. So that means total we have 7 people will buy the car. So the quantity equal to 7, and the price equal to $700,000. So use $700,000 times 7, and you got $4,900,000. So that will be the revenue under the uniform under the uniform price. So how about the price discrimination? So for the price discrimination in this question, so the dealer only sell the car to Fred, Mike, and Hua, and they charge their maximum amount of money they want to pay. So which means all 3 people, they have no consumer surplus. All the consumer surplus become like the firm's revenue. So which means, so the first, what we want to do is we need to get the revenue the dealer can earn from each individual. So the revenue from the Fred equal to the price. So the Fred want to pay the $1 million. So that is $1 million times 1. So only Fred himself. So that is $1 million. And the second person is Michelle. So for Michelle, he want to pay the $50,000. So the revenue from the Michelle equal to $950,000 times 1, because only herself. So that will be equal to $950,000. And the third person is Hua. The revenue from Hua equal to what is his maximum of money want to buy. So that is $900,000. So you just write down the $900,000 and times 1, and you got $900,000. So now you add all the revenue from each individual together, and you will get the total revenue equal to $1 million plus $950,000 plus $900,000, and then what we'll get. So you can use the calculator to do the calculation. So if you add all of them together, you will get 1 million plus 950,000 plus $900,000, and you'll get, wow, $2,850,000. So by just selling this 3%, and you can find, wow, they already earned a lot of revenue. So this is a price discrimination. So by working on this question, you will know why the firm or dealers, the different firm, they want to use the price discrimination if they can, because it can maximize their profits.